Make your animal welfare more efficient by using our innovative farming solutions. Choose the total system for optimal results or install the components separately, suitable for better life programs. Meet our pop-hole doors. We provide a wide range of features and dimensions to address all your needs. High insulation value, draft-free seal, Class B fire, easy mounting, and more. Meet our daylight products. These components optimize lighting conditions in your barn by maintaining a natural day-night rhythm. The result? Improved living conditions for your animals. Meet our ventilation components. These components optimize the climate and ventilation conditions in your barn. For example, our new air equalizer maintains the right pressure for optimal airflow. Meet our new Fortica PS, optimized for animal welfare. With Fortica, you easily control your barn equipment, even remotely, always and everywhere. Fortica satisfies the requirements for better life programs. Control your pop-hole doors and adaptive climate and realize energy savings. Fortica improves your barn environment, which boosts your animal's health. Make your animal welfare more efficient with the components and smart systems of Tulderhof and Hotraco Agri. Improve your return on investment by controlling your folks' behavior, controlling your barn environment, energy savings, cost efficiency, complete system management.